Yo, it's shaking. It's your boy Trent Peter. I'm here to do the State of the Union, which, by the way, they try to block your boy from doing. But yo, I'm unstoppable. I'm like Thanos with the Infinity Gauntlet. Suck my dick. Yo, I got my man Mike Pence over here to my right. That's my guy. You know what I'm saying? Not really sure what the whole mother thing is about with his wife, but you know, I don't judge. Over here on my other side, I got this bird, Nancy Pelosi. She be hating, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna open up by saying, what is the fucking deal? What is the big deal with ICE?
Whose man's is this?
Yo, my man, calm the fuck down before I go down there and roast you.
You ain't gonna roast shit.
Yo, you taco shell head ass boy. You fucking build a wall ass boy.
Pump your face, motherfucker. I'll come up there and fuck you up.
I wish you would, motherfucker.
Shut you down like the government.
Listen, I have the hands of a toddler, but these shits work. I will wash you. Do you understand?
Fuck you.
Suck my dick. Anyway, like I was saying, this is the episode 145 of the most illustrious podcast you've ever heard in your life. I'm going to use the State of the Union to promote this because I have a large platform.
Fuck you, I fuck the Bodega Boys.
Oh, shit. Well, I mean, yeah, fuck them, I guess, right? I mean, should I be aligning myself with them?
Fuck you.
They're very leftists.
Fuck you, where's my bosses?
I'm right here, nigga. You say my name 3 times, I'll appear like Candyman. So, please, be careful. Because I will pull up and surgically attach a dick to your head and call you a dickhead and embarrass you in front of this entire audience. I'm off this. I have more important things to do, like running HUD, which I still do not know the acronym for. Holla at your boy. This is episode 145 of the most illustrious podcast in the world. Give me my mic back. Give me my mic back.
We love you, man.
Fuck Ben Boston. I am the president. I'm the president. You should be worshiping me and my extremely long tie. Do the fucking drop. This is outrageous. And what is your guys? Why do you care about ICE? Why do you care about ICE so much? You don't like ICE? You like warm drinks? You fucking fools. I love ICE. Do the fucking drop. Get out of here. Get out of my face. This whole thing is over. Nancy, get out of here. Fucking bullshit. I didn't even want to be president. God damn it.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, episode 145.
Yeah. And there's mad shit that happened, and y'all was pressed because we didn't drop the art last week. But guess what?
We were in LA.
Popping, we in LA.
We was in LA doing LA things.
I know you've seen the Getty images from the paparazzo.
Listen, when you got Getty images, you know you're doing it.
You know what I'm saying? You also, niggas is on Wire Image and shit. You know what I'm saying?
We've gone from being on Getty images as them to actually being Jesus Nice and the Kid Mero.
That's right.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
I'm no
Respect
longer
credits.
being attributed as JB Smooth. JB Smooth and what was the guy?
Chala Guzamo.
Learn my names.
Motherfucker.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Episode 145 coming to you live from Milk Studios in the Jam Room.
The Jam Man.
Which a lot of people don't know is also an earthquake bunker.
Yes.
So if something ever happens and the world, you know how they have the designated survivor at the State of the Union? If every other podcast gets wiped out,
That's us.
we will exist.
That's right.
And if you think when the world ends, we're going to continue to do podcasts, you are a fucking fool.
You
we
wildin'.
turn New York into the division, man.
Hell yeah.
We running up in the Apple Store. I'm taking all the MacBooks.
All that shit.
I don't even know what I'm going to do with them.
But it don't matter.
No, if the revolution comes, like we're going to be divided into people who have AirPods and people who don't.
Who don't.
So you better get them now and align yourself.
Listen, and get your waves popping.
They're going to be like, the AirPods have taken 96th Street.
God.
Oh, my God.
Oh, no.
And we can hear you guys coming because we got the AirPods.
Yeah, that's right.
How you feel?
Yeah. Because we went to the bathroom and we put the AirPod on the table and then we did FaceTime. And then now you can, oh, shit. You didn't know about that, huh?
Technology,
motherfucker, a.k.a. tricknology. Open your third eye,
Open
brother.
your third eye. That's how the government gets you.
That's how them devils get you.
Okay?
Them crackers.
Remember, every time.
Soldier boy.
You have to upgrade. Listen, people, listen to me immediately. You have to upgrade your iPhones to iPhone X.
Yes.
Because if you're still using the iPhone with the home key, every time you swipe your finger, Ancestry.com gets your DNA.
That's right.
Just saying. I read it and Wired. You know what I'm saying? Allegedly.
Wired.ru.
I get all my news from Vladimir Putin.
Yeah.
It's just Vladimir Putin in like a bodycon suit showing traffic around Petersburg.
He's like, oh, look, I am very small, but I stand in an apple box like Tom Cruise.
Yeah. How you let your country be run by a short guy?
By a little motherfucker.
And right now they're like, how you let Trump? I'm like, that's fair.
Listen, yeah, that's true.
fair.
But at least he's 6 feet.
Is he? We don't even know.
And like,
He just be lying.
He lying like a motherfucker.
He lied about shit you don't even need to lie about.
He could be wearing stilts the entire time, his entire presidency.
I think when they, it's going to be wild when Robert Mueller comes to arrest him. We're going to find out all this time it was 2 kids inside a trench coat. It wasn't really a person.
Oh shit!
He just had mad bronzer on.
Yo, that's it. Fuck.
It was just Jared and Barron.
That's what we haven't seen Barron in mad long. He's like, I'm tired of being the likes.
No, they had a picture of Barron the other day. He's mad tall now. And I was saying,
maybe get him
because that guy that called in the WFAN and was like, I like rooting for a white guy for the Knicks. What if Barron is like the next savior for the Knicks?
Oh, boom! It goes to Duke, of course. As is customary.
Turns into a what? Gym rat.
Gym rat.
High basketball IQ.
You know what I'm saying? First one in, last one out.
You know what it is? Gritty.
You know what I mean? Plays the game the right way.
Plays it hard. Blue collar player.
You know what I'm saying?
Brings his lunch pail to work.
That's right. Does whatever he needs to do to win.
Okay.
He's a winner.
Sneakily athletic.
That's right.
Yeah.
From a winning culture.
You like to see he plays the game the right way.
You know what I'm saying? There's no more winning culture than being white. Like that's the winningest culture. That's a dynasty, nigga, right there.
White people are the patriots of races. Like, let's go. Like, they got all the rings, baby. They got all the rings. They're doing the Tom Brady dance.
Like, hey.
Hi, Gronky.
They're on stage with Robert Kraft, like listening to Gucci Mane and shit. Like,
shout out to the Patriots. They won the most boring Super Bowl in the history of Super Bowls. It was so, you know what? Because I didn't watch it because, you know what I'm saying? I'm standing with Kaepernick.
Yes.
Also because I knew the shit was going to be boring.
The shit was going to be what?
Made it mad easy to boycott.
Fuck out of here.
They had like Super Bowl parties. People didn't even care about the game. They were just here to watch the commercials, which we had one.
We had two.
Two Super Bowl commercials.
Also, you know what I'm saying? Another 30-second spot in the post game. But,
No,
you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying.
Yeah, what was the final score? Like 3?
13-7. No, that's a lie. It was 13-3.
Yeah. Yawn
fest. Fam, I have, and I have no shame in saying this, I have fallen asleep masturbating, woken up, and finished masturbating, and that was more exciting than the Super Bowl.
Straight up.
You know what I'm saying?
It's true.
She was trash. Like, I literally fast forwarded through the game to watch the commercials.
Right.
Like, I DVR'd the shit, like, because, I got 18 kids and I had to put them all to bed and shit.
I was just following on the timeline, and when people would say something about the commercial, I just go on YouTube and look at it and be like, all right, I get it.
Yeah.
Some of them were pretty bad. Shout out to every company that had like one wingding and marketing and was like, yo, take 90% of the budget, buy Super Bowl ads. The rest will take care of itself.
Yo, that's it. We don't even got to...
Yo, business plan. What business plan? Just get a name, buy a domain and get a Super Bowl ad.
Let's do it.
It's giraffe.com. Giraffe to your door.
It.
People need it. Where are you buying a giraffe at right now? Huh? The zoo? You can't.
Well, you can't.
That's what my new app, Giraffer, you can get approved for a giraffe in under 5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes, and they come straight to your door.
Straight to your door.
In a discreet box.
You can track your giraffe.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
We got show like a commercial was like a person mad frazzled trying to get a giraffe. Like,
oh God, I can never get a giraffe on time.
You got to be like the those infomercials where people are trying to do simple tasks. And they're like,
I can't. My water. I don't know how to drink water.
How many times have you lost your giraffe?
Oh.
If you act now, we come with a giraffe clip. This is like attaches a giraffe to your neck.
You can hitch your horse to your fucking giraffe to a post.
They got a cup holder for your giraffe when you're driving and shit. Yeah. Get them giraffes. Are there giraffes endangered?
Nah, they're chilling.
Yeah.
They're like, nah, we're not in danger. We're good.
Dude,
who's fucking with a giraffe? Like,
That's
I've
true.
never seen, like, you know all them nature shows where it's always like an antelope being chased by jaguars and shit like that? I've never seen somebody fucking with a giraffe.
No, remember on our show?
Oh, the giraffes beefing with each other.
The giraffe kicked the shit out that lion.
That's right.
Yeah.
The lion was like, oh shit.
He was like, yo.
King of the jungle, suck my dick.
Like,
Nigga,
suck this long ass neck, nigga. How you feel?
Stupid.
I see you coming for 3 miles. Look how long my neck is. You trying to creep up on me. You not low?
Fuck is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you, Simba?
Yo, the giraffes fight with their necks. That's some funny shit. Man.
That's some wild shit.
It's like we just get into a beef.
That's
and we
when
just start headbutting each other.
God was smacked when he made giraffes.
He's like,
yo.
He's like, yo, son, check this out. Look.
Throw some dots on that shit. Throw some dots.
He's just making this shit in Photoshop. He's like, yo.
The way you make nachos when you're high, that's how God was creating animals. That's how God made the giraffe and the platypus.
He's like, oh.
Yo, shit. Throw a duck bill on that shit, son.
Yeah, fuck it, yo.
Throw some cheese on that shit.
Yo, you got beaver tails left over? Let me get one. Yo, throw that shit in there. Fuck that.
Yo, so what you watching? DuckTales?
Yeah.
DuckTales, yeah.
Yeah, throw that in there. Yeah. Fuck that. Yo, matter of fact, yo, let's make this shit, yo, give it titties, yo.
What?
Lactating titties.
What?
And a duck bill.
You know what? For the M. Night Shyamalan twist, it's a mammal.
Oh, shit, yo,
It's like, you just hear the cipher like, yo, you did, like all the Hindu gods and all like, yo, God, you did it again, yo. New shit.
Giraffe niggas.
New shit. Only here on Charles Darwin Records. You know what I mean? Straight from the Galapagos Islands. All right. I got finches.
Yeah, shout out to Galapagos Islands. I've heard that shit so many times. I want to go there.
Because of Charles Darwin's book, mad people go to the Galapagos Islands and
they're
have
just
it
mad bored.
just destroyed the habitat for like the animals. Like it's Darwinism for real.
There's no more Komodo dragons.
Like you get off the plane and shit, the turtles be rolling their eyes like, here we go.
Man, who blew this shit up?
Fucking Mitch.
It's like when you find a
Mitch
good,
McConnell.
you find a good bar and shit, and you start telling your friends about it.
It's like people from Twitter going to Greece on vacation. Like there's other places, people.
Yo, stop.
Remember, go to Montenegro.
Yeah.
Sponsored by the tourism board of Montenegro.
Which is just one guy in a potato in an office.
They were like, yes, we're going to advertise. They're like, nah, not Super Bowl. Bodega Boys.
Yeah.
They're like, why would we advertise Montenegro on Bodega Boys? They're like, one of them is a Negro. No, they got nice beaches out there.
That's genius.
They have nice beaches out in Montenegro.
Isn't it freezing?
No, it's
not?
actually temporary up there.
Okay.
They have nice beaches. They have good money laundering, and there's a CIA black site for torture.
Oh, shit, it's lit. We can do all three.
Shit is lit.
If you could just land with like your little little itinerary, like, how are we gonna do all of this?
Oh my God.
Let's save the black site for the last day.
Can't see it all in one day. Shout out to CIA black sites. They're just chilling right there, just waiting for niggas.
Just waiting for niggas. Like, come through, like, yo, come
like
through.
someone checked into work, like, it's a living.
Let's look.
Nigga don't even have a lust for life anymore. He's just attaching like electrodes to genitals, but his heart's not in it no more.
He's just drinking coffee while he's waterboarding somebody. Like, do you know anything about this thing?
Wait a minute. Were like CIA agents and like black sites, were they affected by the government shutdown? Because if I'm not getting paid, I'm not waterboarding shit.
Fuck out of here.
I'm doing a wild week torture. I'm just sitting next to the nigga like, tell me what you know. Alright, fuck it. We tired, man. Nigga don't know shit.
Play Mercy. Tell me what you know. Tell me what you know.
Never. You never break me. I'm like, you know what? Oh, you have a hard ass here? All right.
Okay.
Strap you to a chair, make you watch Young Sheldon. He's like, enough! Make it stop.
Please stop.
Actually, Young Sheldon comes on CBS and is a wonderful show. And, be sure to check it out. It's part of the Showtime family.
Written by legend Chuck Lorre.
Love it. Also, if you get a chance, check out Big Bang Theory. I think you'll enjoy that.
It's an amazing #1 sitcom on television.
It probably is. I don't really know the ratings, but it's always on. Yes. Shout out to CBS and Showtime.
Amazing.
Just wonderful broadcast stuff.
Great.
Catch us in a new episode of Jag. Does Jag come on still? Is Jag still a thing?
I hope so.
I felt like yesterday.
I hope so.
I felt like yesterday when Donald Trump was talking about the military, it was like someone's grandfather describing an episode of Jag to you, because it was just all over the place. He had no facts. It was like he said we are going to have the hottest military.
The military is going to be super hot.
Are we just going to be like Manolo Blahnik and shit?
LL Cool J is the lieutenant.
Yeah, we're bad.
We're bad. It's
Check out the
SAS.
yeeks.
Yeah, look at. Yeah, I sent all my lieutenants to DR to get fake yeeks.
All our new uniforms are coming from Fashion Nova.
We're gonna be the baddest bitches in the military. Let me tell you.
We have like no armor, but just nipples exposed. Sexy army. Yeah. Sex army.
Yeah.
Also, shout out to Russia. They keep announcing new weapons.
Don't even say that shit, because Trump shouldn't be like,
yeah, gang.
Genius sex army. That's
army.
amazing. Fuck it, we're gonna shut down the White House. We're gonna turn it into
a sex army.
Yeah, that's right.
That sounds like a very problematic movie from the 80s.
Yeah.
Like, very problematic. No consensual sex in it. Just you look at it now like, yo. You know a movie I tried to watch the other day and I was like, oh, get the fuck out of here. You can't watch Clockwork Orange?
Oh shit.
Yo. Fam.
Yo, and the torture shit is not even the beginning. It's like, yo, we're just gonna show these houses.
They don't even play on that.
Yo, I was like, oh.
You know what it is? It's just PC culture.
It's right.
It's PC culture. It's ruining the
It's
classics.
a classic movie. It's a Kubrick.
It's a Kubrick.
It's a Stanley. It's like the
titties are artful.
You know. It's a beautiful thing. And now you got people complaining about art.
Let me ask you something. Would you put a pair of boxer briefs on the statue of David?
Huh? Would you? You wouldn't.
You wouldn't.
You would have let his little pishkadil hang out. You know why?
As
because
intended.
It's art.
That's art.
That's right.
But now our kids are shielded, and that's why they're weak.
Terrible.
And that's why they have the peanut allergies.
That's right.
That's how it goes.
PC culture started gluten allergies. You heard it here first.
It's a hot take. That's a hot take. I'm glad someone finally said it.
That's right. Thank you. You're very welcome.
Up next on WFAM, why are there so many blacks in the NBA?
I didn't. Hey, my first time, long time. I didn't know it was the Negro Basketball Association. I'm gonna hang up and listen.
I got another question. Black History Month. Why do they get a month?
Why?
When is our month?
Well, yeah, when's White History Month?
I celebrate the months. I don't care if they're green, purple, red, yellow,
Yeah, polka dots.
Yeah,
listen, if they got days in them, I celebrate them.
I celebrate them. But this Black History Month,
I mean, you want to stick out? Hey, listen.
That's how it starts. Next thing you know, slavery's back, and we're operating under Sharia law. I hang up and listen.
Yeah, that's it.
Madison Square Garden's under Sharia law.
There's no low about steak anymore.
No.
Can you believe that shit?
Okay? I heard on Facebook you can't get any bacon on your burgers. Madison Square Garden. Unbelievable.
Why? Because it's fucking haram.
I read that. I also read that in Newsday. So just check your sources on that.
Listen, all right.
I read it. I was on the SkyTrain going to going to JFK
To the Billy Joel show.
the Billy Joel show. I took the air train.
The Billy Joel show.
The Billy Joel show.
Everybody that goes to a Billy Joel concert, they don't call it a concert. They call it a show.
It's an experience.
I'm gonna. Hey, pal.
You going to the Billy Joel show?
You go to Billy Joel? Hey.
And then we sit next to each other on the fucking PATH train. Share some long boys before tying one on at tracks.
Yeah. Let's go see the game after that. Drink a couple deuces in the parking lot.
Yeah. Yo, did you? I showed you the video that the MS-13 gang member that clapped that guy on the 7 train.
Fam. You know what's wild? Like, I see shit like that, and I'm like, oh, this is like in Arizona or like somewhere. Fam, this was on the fucking 7 train in New York City
At 7:45 p.m. Not a.m.
Like, fam.
And then Trump used it. He was like, yo, MS-13 is dangerous.
Look at them.
As someone pointed out on my timeline, as a true New Yorker, there was like, yeah, but the guy he killed was a gang member too. And I was like, you raise a... I guess. I don't know.
I mean...
Yeah, there's a GoFundMe, and then the people, like, the comments were like, yo, like, they had to... I think they disabled them. But niggas is...
Because it was probably like mad other gang members like, yo, fuck that nigga.
Well, also a lot of MAGA people were hopping onto it and shit, but that's wild. And then you listen to the detail. It sounds like the guy that got killed had the gun, and they got it away from him. But they all had previous arrests.
Fam, the wildest shit though is you wrestle the gun away from homie, and you don't just bounce and like or like pistol whip, and he was just like pow 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 pow,
and it wasn't and it wasn't one shot.
Yeah, nah.
Like you hear that video, it was like pop 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 pop. I was like,
fam, is Over Redenbacher getting off the train? Like, what the fuck is going on? Yo, this shit was crazy.
But niggas know about that street culture.
You know what I'm saying?
Once you pop, you can't stop. Actually, I think that's Pringles culture.
Pringles culture. That's Pringles' new ad campaign.
Once you pop, you can't stop.
He's like, listen, all these PG-13 gang members coming into America are causing massive violence.
PG gang, Pringle gang.
Yeah, it's saying.
Niggas got the round cans, clicking them together like thunder sticks. Is that what all Pringles is good for? Like a weird shaped can?
That's it.
You know what?
They don't even. Like,
I'm calling Pringles out. Pringles is cowards. They know all they got is the can because they sell them in the bag.
Yeah,
because they're afraid.
I dare you.
You're afraid.
Your chips are weak.
Okay.
Your chips are weak, B. If you put them back, they'll crumble the crumbs and
That's right.
nonsense.
Pringles, show your real true self. Take off your weave, take off your take off your makeup, and show us your true body like a Lady Gaga video.
You know what I'm saying?
I am beautiful each and every way.
Remember the video where she was twerking? That like debuted on like World Star?
No.
Yeah, there's a very explicit Lady Gaga video of her like twerking in like a pool of milk. It's really.
Oh, I was seeing Christina Aguilera.
Super bizarre.
But Gaga got yeeks. She got some kicks. She's kind of canceled now because of R. Kelly thing. But
that's right, she did.
Yeah. No, she was banging with R. Kelly hard. But, and I'm gonna get the problematic light for this. Her appearance in A Star Is Born makes up for her R. Kelly shit.
For her past indiscretions?
Yes, I said that. I stand by that. Don't make me sing Shallow. Love that fucking movie. I paid $20. I paid $20 for that movie yesterday on demand, and I have the screener. I just couldn't find it, and I really, really wanted to watch it. I'm just a white horse girl in my living room. I'm watching Lady Gaga because I have to go to go to the orthodontist tomorrow to get like the rubber bands on my braces tightened.
Yo! Oh my God.
Man!
Shout out the braces.
Did you ever have braces?
Never.
No.
Never had braces.
You know what? Well, growing up, I was like, damn. It was lucky I didn't have braces because it seemed like something my family was like, yeah, that's not really a necessity.
Yeah.
Like you can go through life with fucked up teeth.
Yeah, it's all good.
You know what
Don't
I mean?
worry about it. Like my dad's teeth were fucked up, and then he just got veneers, and he looks like Noriega now. But it is what it is.
I'm glad. I like my teeth. Like I don't feel the need.
Yeah,
for
like
veneers.
I'm like I'll lighten them because like shout out to Newport for ruining my teeth and also Kofi for making them look like
But yeah, you don't want to come with the wild fucking Lou Vega. A little bit of mamba in my life.
Like, nah,
how do you even
bro.
eat with big veneers like that,
Bruh.
Yeah.
Listen, you take big bites. Motherfucker ate a birthday cake in 2 bites. He turned into Kirby.
Mero, that was for the kids.
my bad. I'm
just
sorry.
swell up and just float away.
Oh, sorry. You look like Tiger Woods, Chappelle doing Tiger Woods in the skate and shit. Oh, hey, how are you? My teeth are 2 bites.
How come teeth are the only thing they make veneers for? Wait, are breast implants veneers for your titties?
For it could be. That could be said.
Think about it. Somewhere Jaden Smith just winked like
He's like, yeah.
you're getting close, Jesus.
I suck with the vision.
You're getting close.
That's right.
Yeah.
You're almost there. You've almost reached Jaden actualization. It's like self-actualization, but better.
Shout out to Jaden. Shout out to Ezra. Remember New Vampire Weekend?
You know what I'm saying?
Album coming soon.
Father of the Bride.
Father of the Bride. And the concert coming. Be sure to check that out.
You know what I'm saying? She's
Okay.
about to be fucking lit. Garden.
Support the homie. He has a kid.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Got
Gotta buy
mouths to feed.
Pampers and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Can't be buying Pampers with no, you know what I'm saying, with no money.
know what I'm saying?
Can't feed your kids streams. Buy the album, buy the CD.
I don't want to see my man mad stressed online buying diapers at C-Town and shit. I'm like, yeah, what are you doing here?
It's like, hey man, they got cheaper diapers here, man. So I came down, up to the Bronx to get diapers.
Oh, okay.
Previously we had diaper service, but
How's the album going?
I mean, it's cool. Actually, it went platinum since you guys mentioned it on the podcast.
Oh, you're welcome.
Appreciate it. Hey, thank you.
Cool.
Thank you for being a friend.
Shout out to Golden Girls. We need to reboot Golden Girls. It's gonna be me and you. Who's the other 2 people in the house?
Me, you, DMX, and Snoop.
That's how I take.
DMX, who's DMX? Is DMX Sophia?
Oh, is DMX Sophia just cranky?
Or is it, well...
No, we instead of Sophia, we have Bernie Sanders.
Boom, perfect.
It's me, you, Kamala Harris, and Bernie Sanders. I have no idea why her name is so difficult for me to pronounce. I have absolutely, and I've been trying since day one. I want to say Kamala so badly.
Yeah.
I want to say Kamala so bad, and I think it's because she's Jamaican, and that's how you're supposed to pronounce it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Your mother named me Kamala.
Okay, it's Kamala. Okay?
All right?
Because I know that because my mother's fake name is Pamela, and her name is not Pamela anything. It's not on her birth certificate. But we're going to say Kamala.
It just sound like a spice. You know what I'm saying?
We got to hang out with Kamala, and I got to make her wild Jamaican side come out. Just make her throw the election and shit.
She'll be like, you mad?
We're going to take her to the test. We're going to take her to the butcher shop and make her buy bony goat meat and see if she notices it.
Oh, she notices it.
That's going to be like her, I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids moment.
Yeah.
Everyone's gonna be like, she's not really Jamaican.
She's not really Jamaican. She don't even know how bony that goat meat
But
is.
she's Jamaican and Indian, so she's definitely going to know about the
Oh, yeah.
I respect it.
Yeah,
I respect it.
I respect it. I respect the curry flow.
Is Kirsten Gillibrand Jamaican?
She's Jamaican butter upstate.
Hey, holla.
Hey,
That
that
was-
jokes.
Brother, this guy stinks.
That was terrible. That's terrible.
Gotta get one dad joke
but
off
we've
at
been
least.
practicing saying her name. Because remember, she almost gave you the hands when you was like, hey,
Yes.
Kristen Gillibrand. She was like,
It's Kirsten.
she was like, motherfucker, all my life I had to fight.
To this day.
Okay? You're going to respect me. Say my name right, damn it.
You know what I'm saying?
She was like she said to the secret security guy, she was clap this guy. I was like, chill.
Chill, bro.
Nah, but if you grow up, I'm sure people have bungled her name forever.
Oh, yeah, of course.
You know.
It gets annoying. But I'm
annoying.
just like, yo.
As people who have simple names, we don't know that life.
Yeah, I mean, like, people do fuck my name up because my name is Joel, because I am of Afro-Latino. You know what I'm saying? But
That's not a
you know what I'm
thing.
saying?
Afro Latinos
You know what
and
I'm
the
saying?
moon landing are all a hoax. Okay, putting that out there. Go Google. You never saw the term Afro Latino used before 3 months ago.
Who invented it?
I did. I made it up just to fuck with people on Twitter. That's right. People just lying.
Mad Panamanians boycotting the podcast.
Yeah,
Shit,
like,
what?
Hey, you got Afro on my Latino. Hey, you got Latino on my Afro.
This is delicious.
To this day.
Yo.
Oh,
my
man.
God. I forgot what the fuck I was talking about.
We all forgot what we said. Like, what does it even matter? What is this podcast even?
What is
I on the plane, because we're always on planes.
Yeah.
I couldn't sleep on the flight back.
wow, light flex?
I couldn't sleep on the flight back. So I have every pod.
You didn't take half a Xan?
I didn't. I did. I was awake. Shout out to Shorty next to me who before the plane took off, she told the flight attendant, she was like, keep the gin and tonics going.
Woo!
And I was like, what? And Shorty went to sleep. Every time she woke up, she just slammed down the gin and tonic. And the flight attendant would replace the gin and tonic. And she would go back to sleep. And she did not go to the bathroom. And she had 4 gin and tonics.
Wow.
And she wasn't sauced or nothing. She just got up and got her luggage and left. And I was like, shit.
That's, God damn. Was she flying UTI Airlines? How the fuck you drink that much and not go pee?
Also, shout out to my flight attendant who actually I ended up tipping in cash because I drank all the Heinekens in first class. She was like, all we have is Dos Equis. And I was like, oh, word? I was like, there's no. She was like, you had the ball. I was like, oh shit. I was like, here. There was like a government shutdown or some shit. You're not supposed to tip them in cash. You're supposed to do. She was like, next time like Starbucks cards or something. That's classier.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, no. I'm gonna treat you like you're at Starlet's, and I'm going to throw money at you every time you give me any type of food.
You're like sticking
I'm
her
like,
shirt,
hey,
like,
here you go.
hey,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Hey. I'm gonna do like a Nigerian wedding and just pin it to them. Like. Like, yo, I was like, oh, a hot towel. Well, here's $100, and there's more where that came from.
Yeah. What's this hot towel for?
Nah, you can't be just giving away. What is the hot towel for? Did they think you're dirty before you eat?
Yeah, like listen, I feel weird because I didn't know how to use it when
I've never known how to use it.
When I popped my first hot towel cherry, I was just like, yo, is this for my hands? Is this for my face? Like, so I just do everything. I'm like a squirrel. Like I do my face, my hands, my armpits and shit. I'm like rubbing on my balls.
Fam, I'm like,
people looking at me like,
you would think I was about to pray the way I use it. I'm like doing my elbows and shit. If it's still a little hot, I'll clean my phone screen.
I could deliver a baby after that shit, bro. Like I just scrubbed in. Like, you know what I'm saying? I could do open heart surgery after you give me that lemon scented towel.
I love the disgust that they pick it up with the little metal thought. They're like, because now it's all discolored.
Yo,
whose idea was that?
I forgot I still had TV makeup on it,
Yes.
so I rub my face and shit.
It's like all the makeup's on it. You're like, oh, sorry, I'm just gross.
I'm just a thought that falls asleep with my makeup.
And then one
on.
of the other people was like, nah, I'm good. I'm like,
excuse me?
excuse me,
Sir.
we are flying in basically a urinal. Like, I need you to wipe your hands down before I eat this cold crab salad. Crunch, 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 crunch. Excuse me, can I get extra red onions?
Please.
Thank you.
Why did you warm up my almonds?
Here, I brought my own halibut. Could you microwave this?
Bruh, the worst shit though is like, if you're on like a late flight and you just want to like knock out and they just keep coming to you like, hey, would you like the third course of this fucking meal? I'm like, yo, I know this flight is 5 hours.
You have to be aggressive. Like, I've seen it. I don't want to be racial, but there's a certain group of people that know exactly how they want their flight experience, and they're very vocal about it. And you have to be like said people.
They come through like with a fucking birth plan.
Yo, they be like, yo, I see. You ever see them? They get on the plane, they rip open their pillow, they rip open their blanket. They're like, hey, it's a red eye. I'm sleeping all day. I'm gonna have the entree. I'm not having any of the appetizers. And can I get a water? Please don't wake me up. And then they go to sleep. And you're like, what the? But these people, I guess they fly like every day or some shit.
They must shit.
I saw Conan O'Brien was on my flight.
Oh shit.
Yo, his head is big as shit, boy.
He's mad tall.
Yeah.
I forgot the motherfucker's like 6'4". I'm like, why don't you go to Duke and play basketball?
Not everyone could ball. It was funny because like he came off the plane and I was like, oh shit, Conan O'Brien. But then I was like,
I got more popping than you.
I was like, I have a show too. Then I was like, should I talk? Because I'll be like, hey, late night buddies.
Hey.
So I was like, yo, it's
like,
5
nah.
a.m. I need my luggage. Let me get the fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Also, I was about to die because it was 3 degrees in New York. That when you coming from LA, 50 degrees to 3.
Oh, fam.
Woo.
I slept in a leather jacket and jeans on a plane, which I do not recommend for a 6-hour flight.
Were you like in Bookings Airlines?
Yo, fam. I was like, I'm going to throw on a sweatsuit. And I was like, no, you can't do that because when you land, it's going to be 10 degrees.
Nah, you gotta fly cozy boy. You gotta pack a sweatsuit.
Yeah.
Duh, do you not know this?
Yeah, no, I flew in cozy boy, but then I got to LA and I was like,
LA is weird because it's either like short weather or just like you have to carry a jacket.
you have to
everywhere.
wear parka.
Ain't no sense.
You have to wear parka and shorts, like in LA. Like,
And I'm still in my Timbs in LA. You know
That's
what it
right.
is.
You know what I'm saying?
Hurt my ankles on the beach.
Get the fuck out of here. Run 100 miles with sand and Timbs.
To this day.
You know what I'm saying? Getting conditioned. Getting conditioned, motherfucker.
You ever think about moving to LA?
Nah. I can't do it. It's too spread out.
What do you mean?
It's too far. Everything is too far.
But I mean, if you got money, nothing.
I mean, yeah, I guess. But it's like everything. You know what it is? Everything is I am a night owl, and like I do everything at night. So like, if I was not able to go to a store and get backwards at 3 a.m., I would be like.
But if you had like an assistant and shit, like that wouldn't even matter.
Yeah.
See, you gotta think big. You gotta have big dreams.
Yeah.
Okay, stop living your little pedestrian New Jersey existence and think big. Think about that fucking.
I'm from New York.
Think about that $20 million house on the hill. Actually, no, you can't get it for $20 million. You're like $40 million house on the hill.
Yeah. For $20 million in Jersey, I'll buy Jersey.
You know what? I want to be popping to the point where I have a house that they showed on the news, like, yo, this shit's about to collapse in a landslide. I'll be like, fuck.
Yo, shit,
And they just be like, why would you buy your house? And I was like, for the flex. What the fuck? I live next to LeBron.
Come on, dog.
LeBron's house is all good. My house is a crumble. I'm like, please don't crumble, please.
Man,
oh my God.
It's like 3 little pigs and shit.
They're showing the shit like crumble, like mad dirt. I'm on the bottom, like trying to put the dirt back up, like da 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 da. The mad dirt behind me and shit. Nah, not my house.
Not my house. LeBron's just next door, like, couldn't be me.
Couldn't be me. Sipping wine and shit.
Sipping wine, shooting free throws in one hand.
No cap. Yo, free 21 Savage.
Yo,
Free
political
27
prisoner.
Political prisoner.
You know what I'm saying? 21 Savage. You know what I'm saying?
Caught by ICE.
You know what I'm saying? Wrongfully.
Why 21 Savage? What did 20? I mean, I was gonna say, what did 21 Savage do other than be a savage and also rap the lyrics to a home invasion? But he makes good music.
It's good shit. You know what I'm saying?
You know,
Can't be mad at him.
Also, they said they got him on 23-hour-a-day lockdown.
What?
Yeah, they got him locked. Those ICE conditions are ridiculous.
I mean, I know, and I'm like.
Wait, what do you know? You've been locked up by ICE?
No, but I know some people. It is also like.
The way you said that, either like you're talking about like family or you're a sex trafficker. Like,
There's no in between.
No in between there. Also, shout out free to homie, free tax stone, who is in that fucking MDC prison that has no heat, had no light. The inmates were banging on the flashlights and shit on the window.
Free tax.
And you know the fucked up shit is, because I know corrections officers, now if the inmates bang on the window, they get sprayed with a water hose. There's no heat.
Wow.
If you get sprayed with the water hose,
you're icicle.
You're gonna die.
You're dead. Yeah.
But people don't realize like a lot of prisons are fucked up like that. Like when I was in Bronx because we had no heat. Like that whole shit is you get heat from other niggas in the cell. So they pack 40 niggas in the cell. So your cell will go from like 100 degrees, and then when they take niggas to court, and now there's 10 people left, and the cell drops to like 30 degrees.
You out there freezing. Now you got to take your jacket that you used it as a pillow.
Shit ain't right, bro. Shit ain't right.
You know what I'm saying?
We gotta fix the system. Or like the young lady on Twitter said, we have to build our own black prison. She said that if she gets something like 80 black celebrities and we each donate $15,000, we can build our own private.
We can lock ourselves up.
Yes, we can make our own like. We can build the Apollo of prisons. We are going to build the soul plane of prisons.
Oh my god!
Every morning, all the inmates gotta do the electric slide. Shit's gonna be lit.
Yo, it's like showtime. Yo, get the fuck out of here.
Oh shit.
My god. Yo, yeah, prisons are wild fucked up.
Yeah, why they think like a black prison would be better than a no?
Like, what do you mean, B? Like, what the fuck? What they got NBA League Pass? Like, what the fuck is the difference?
Someone tries to break out, it's gonna be like, yo,
check it out, baby. Party rocker, heavy hitter, international club king, Rock Boys, High 97, DJ Camilo, hanging out with my boy DJ Lil Rise.
warning.
The yard is unwalkable. Warning.
DJ Camilo.
DJ Camilo.
Like, are we in the guard towers? Are we shooting at niggas? Also, if you're white, do you want to go to how? Oh my God, we're making an HBCUs in prison.
Oh shit!
Like, you can't. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't go to the Bodega Boys prison because it's only for like black people.
Yeah, sorry. So you gotta.
That's not fair.
That's not fair. I want to go to this as a member of the Aryan Nation. I think that I should be allowed in this prison.
He's got the National Guard to walk them in on some segregation shit.
They got mad swastika tattoos and shit.
Niggas outside protest. Keep our prisons black. Keep our prisons black. I will never bunk with a Caucasian.
Like spit at him and shit.
Don't lock him up. Don't lock him up.
Instead of German Shepherds, mad pit bulls like barking and
shit. Everyone gets a kufi. Everyone gets like a fucking Fat Farm velour sweatsuit.
The kufi. That's beautiful.
Shit. Niggas get Timbs, but they don't get laces, so niggas can't run.
You know what I'm saying? You just gotta be in a yard with some tight ass Timbs on.
The way we keep everyone from escaping, like niggas' meals is mad heavy. Niggas shit got like mad mashed potatoes, smothered. Yeah, niggas like niggas don't even lock the door. Like, yo, you can break out if you want.
Oh man, fuck it. Nah, I'ma chill.
And the way we keep niggas from breaking out is like everyone's car is like mad. You gotta keep your gas on E, because you know black people ain't never chipping in on no fucking gas. Niggas trying to break out like, yo,
we breaking out.
I got the car.
You got the whip. You got.
Oh shit, who got gas money?
I got.
Nah, I paid last time.
You got the whip.
I paid Come on. What's up?
It's your whip though.
Nah, come on, nigga. The dog's coming. What's up?
Nigga, I don't got five.
You don't got five.
You said you had the whip. If you said you had the whip, that means you had the whip.
Mero talk about this shit. You don't even got five on the shit.
Bro, like, come on. We talked about this whole shit.
Nigga, I'm going back to my cell. Nigga slammed the door, mad, indignant. Guard's like this old black lady. She's like, I told y'all.
Never let it get past half empty.
What's wrong with y'all? It's your dumb nigga hit me back in the head. It's your dumb ass. I'm like, sorry.
When you do clownery,
comes back to you. That's right. Monique is the head of the prison.
She's the warden.
She's the warden. I like this movie. We get Regina Hall in it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this shit is coming up.
You know what I mean?
You get what's her name? Jorah Smith from England.
True.
She could be like the English inmate or some shit.
Yeah.
Who can sing? She sings in the talent show.
You know what I'm saying? Who else?
Rachel Dolezal is the head of the Aryan Nation.
Yeah. And she's the whole time claiming like, nah.
I'm like, so it's not right.
Yo, that's like a Thai symbol. It's not Nazi.
What?
Like, yo, it's used in Buddhism. I don't even know, man. Come on, stop.
I make my acting debut as the head of the sovereign citizens. Yeah, we don't respect nothing to maritime law. Nigga, rip up your social security number.
You don't need that.
You don't need that.
You don't need no tax ID.
Only social security number you got is the number God gave you.
That's right.
That's right.
Check under your foot. It's on your palms.
Okay.
Of your feet.
When I came out the womb, was my number 721349171?
No.
Someone bleep that one, please.
Please stop.
Please, that was my actual. Excuse me. Niggas applying for mad credit and shit. They're like, boy,
what the fuck?
They're like, he on TV, but his credit's still shit, boy.
Woo, that shit is woo. No job, no credit, no problem.
You ever tell someone looks at your credit score and they do like the heavy, they breathe in before they're like,
wow. It's even more depressing when you do that, when they do that shit at like Staples. You're trying to buy a printer.
Yeah.
They're like
I gotta go speak to my manager.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm not even buying the shit on credit. They're like, no, your credit's so bad you can't even buy the shit cash.
Yeah, nah.
I'm like, how does
I mean, listen.
Also, printers are a scam.
I don't make the rules.
Printers are a scam. Stop supporting big printer because you're only supporting big ink. Yeah, think about it.
Big toner.
Big tone the God. Red hot lover tone. Yeah. Think about it. Like printers are cheaper than toner now.
Yeah.
Okay? It's a big scam. And if I tell you one thing, I tell you one thing.
Tell them.
Can't just be printing out shit for niggas.
Tell it to them.
Okay?
Tell it to them.
Also, like they got online boarding passes and shit now.
Also, I'm wild petty. So like if you were to come to my house to print something out, I would be like, hold on a second. and I would set the printer settings to like mad light.
Yeah, like to like practice mode.
Practice mode. You get your print back. You like, why is this shit like in dot matrix? Like, what the fuck is going on here?
I was gonna buy a printer the other day, but I was like, yo, I don't print anything.
Yeah, no.
There's no. If you have to print something, something has gone wrong in your life.
Yeah.
If you have to print something, you're either going to court or you're traveling.
Fam, I'm not printing shit. I'm not shipping shit. Once we went to the office and I was like, yo, we could FedEx shit from here? They were like, yeah. I was like, oh shit, it's lit. I'm like sending Christmas presents and shit, like FedEx overnight. Like,
like putting together boxes and shit like that. I'm like, what?
What?
I don't think I own a stamp.
No.
I don't think I own any stamps.
Yeah, no, I only own stamps because Heather is from the 1940s apparently and likes to write letters and shit. So, hey.
Yeah, you get a letter from someone, you're expecting them to either tell you have a child or STD. You never just
or you're going to jail.
Yeah, you never casually just get a letter. Hey, I'm just doing well. Just wanted to see how you're doing.
How you doing? How
that
are
shit
you?
is like from the United States Treasury. You owe back taxes. You're like, damn.
Damn.
Niggas
You
caught
write back
me.
like, I am a sovereign citizen.
So I will pay you exactly and suck my dick from the back. We have our own currency.
Boom.
Come catch me. Nigga, I'm on a boat in the middle of international waters. There's a monkey having a knife fight. Sincerely, Jesus Allah.
You tight. P.S. You sick.
P.S. Y'all not getting none of this tax money, nigga.
And the shit is like business reply, so it's like free to send.
Got him.
I ain't even paid to send this shit.
Nah, that's the new thing. I think more people are going to become sovereign citizens because the government's falling apart. So, you know.
True.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
We're from niggas politic themselves.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like,
government. What? Fuck government.
Fuck the government, B.
Politic themselves.
It's your government. It's your government. Fuck the government. Listen,
Actually,
bro.
I should probably stop saying that. They're going to bring me up on like RICO or some shit. But
yeah. Let's not talk about that shit too, but before they start investigating my
your citizenship.
My birth certificate. I had to get reissued.
No, I know a guy.
Yeah, get the camera out of my face.
I know a guy. I know a guy that can help you with that. What do you need? How much?
I need.
You need like a some. You need like a
I
birth certificate and
need
shit?
like two more social security numbers and one more birth certificate.
Did you use the Lincoln Tunnel today?
Yes, I did. There was an 18-wheeler flipped over in that bitch, and Chief was like, "Man, 18-wheeler flipped the fuck over in the tunnel, man. You believe that shit?"
You passed it? You actually passed it?
Nah.
Oh.
I put my sunglasses on and went to sleep.
Oh, yeah. Delays of more than an hour. It's a jersey. Shit's whack.
God damn.
Speaking of jerseys, basketball jerseys.
Yeah.
Our hearts were ripped
Lit
out of our
segue.
fucking. Yeah, man. I killed that shit. Our hearts were ripped out our chests when last week the Knicks, I guess, just traded away everybody. But I say this to say that at the end of the rainbow is a pot of gold.
That's right.
The Knicks are getting KD. You heard it here first.
That's right.
The Bodega Boys are saying it. If the Knicks do not get KD, and I'm saying this to camera, if the Knicks don't get KD, Mero will pay every Bodega Hive member
That's right.
$1,000.
That's right.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Give me that money.
Damn.
Nah, I feel very
I think I
strongly.
got diverticulitis. Shit.
I feel very strong. I feel like the Knicks are getting KD.
Yeah,
we
no,
feel like
he's
it.
coming,
We're
he's
hearing
coming.
things. It's
Bro,
coming.
listen.
I don't know if the Knicks are going to be able to make it happen, but the Knicks are in a point right now that they could possibly turn the shit around. Like you can't go anywhere up but from zero.
Exactly. And it's funny because you got all these Warriors fans that they're super hype about the Splash Brothers and this and that. And
Splash
that, and that.
Brothers.
Bro,
Splash Brothers sounds like a very problematic porn. Because
exactly. The Warriors were trash for decades. Since fucking Chris Mullin, like, which is like,
shout out to St. John's.
you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The Red Storm, who changed a problematic name. But yo.
Oh, yeah.
Remember? Yo, welcome to St. John's Redmen. Everybody's like, whoa, hold on, what the fuck? But yeah, nah, like, listen. I convinced myself that a guy that is 7'3" and dribbles a basketball a lot and weighs 125 pounds, that is not sustainable in today's modern NBA. You need niggas like LeBron, who's like 6'9", built like a freight train, and that is exactly what we have in Zion Williamson, the number one draft pick, which we are gonna motherfucker get, and we're gonna get KD, and we're gonna get Kemba, and we're gonna win chips upon chips upon chips upon chips upon chips.
Speak on it, brother.
That's right.
Speak on
It
it.
could either go that way, or you know what I'm saying?
If my love
That's right.
is in Zion. asked Lauryn Hill to record that episode 1. She just sent it in.
She just sent it in. That shit just came in. Did Lauryn vocals come in yet?
Yeah. She's like, I'm working on it, nigga.
Yeah, chill.
What's the rush,
Come
nigga?
on, chill. Why you wildin'? Yo, I gotta go get some Fronto first. Hold on.
What else happened this week? Oh. Tahi on the fucking Leprechaun Report, one Liam Nielsen said many years ago, after one of his friends was raped by a black, he said he walked around Ireland.
My friend was raped by a black.
With a kosh.
And I walked upon Ireland with, I will not say it, an N-word beater. And I was trying to find a black man to kill.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry. So please watch my movie.
Watch my movie.
Yeah. Like what?
Okay, that's the most egregious shit I've ever heard, Liam Nielsen. Let's break this down.
I'm just appalled, disgusted, infuriated, incensed, alarmed, annoyed, and verklempt.
That's like me saying, God damn it, I hate all these people from Fiji. The next person from Fiji I see in my neighborhood, I'm going to kill.
I'm going to murk them.
Are there any people from Fiji walking around the South Bronx?
No.
Probably not.
Probably not.
How many black people are walking around Ireland? Liam Nielsen. Huh? You talking cash shit about there's no black people in Ireland.
Stop.
I know. I have like one cousin there. I'm sure. And also,
is there like an Irish rap scene?
There's. It's kind of depressing. But also, me thinks Liam Nielsen don't got the heart for that. I think
he didn't,
you know what I'm saying.
Kill nobody.
I don't think if he saw a black person, like how was he going to go push them?
Also, there's no guns in Ireland.
Yeah, he had a kosh, which is like a blackjack. Like you gonna kill someone with a blackjack?
Yeah. You're gonna beat a motherfucker to death? I don't think you got the stones for that, pal.
But everyone's like, we should forgive him because he's turned over a new leaf. He no longer has the hate in his heart.
Listen, man.
Here's the wild part of the whole story. At no point in the story did his friend that got raped ask him to go kill a black person.
Yeah, no.
He just volunteered the shit.
He's like, yo, listen, I'm gonna do it. I've been wanting to do this shit, and now's my chance.
This nigga just giving. That's basically the same as giving fruitcake. Sorry, Liam Nielsen.
Sorry, my guy. Also, you're like 55 years old.
Yeah,
like you know what I'm saying. Like
he was never. He got gassed up by his movies, and it's the same way Tupac started believing he was Bishop from Juice. Liam Nielsen thinks he's the father from Taken, who was a terrible father, by the way.
Yeah, how you let your daughter get kidnapped like that?
You let your daughter get Natalie Holloway twice, almost killed.
You know what I'm saying?
Pathetic.
The shit was a. There's 3 of those movies. Shorty got kidnapped 3 times.
In the third one, I think he's helping someone else get their kid back. I don't know. I've never seen him because I don't watch garbage movies. I only watch good movies like Moonlight, Beale Street, and A Star Is Born, which is a wonderful show for your consideration. And also he rides extra hard for the horse carriages,
which makes no sense.
It makes perfect sense.
Like, why would you want those things? I want those things to go away forever.
Because people said the horse carriages in Central Park are basically slavery for horses, and he was like, "Yeah, love that shit. Can't get enough.
Keep it around. We need it.
Yeah,
yeah."
What are the horses gonna do if they're not gonna walk around the Central Park? I don't know. Be horses?
Fucking ranch?
Is it?
Eat grass?
Meanwhile, horses like, excuse me, I'm merging on the FDR. Excuse me. You saw my signal? Hey, I'm horsing here. Hey,
my feet are not built for this, guys.
Hey, whoa, whoa. What do you mean a tractor trailer turned over? Oh, my own. Hey, you come to the city often? Hey, I know a place you can get a wicked bale of hay. It's on 3rd, over by Carnegie Deli.
Right there over there by the dog food McDonald's.
A lot of people don't know all the horse-drawn carriages. The horses have New York accents.
They do.
They're all like, "Hey, Vinny."
Hey.
They have like hats that they put on when they go home and shit.
Hey, how you doing, pal?
Nothing's weirder than when you get on the train like at 7:00 when all the horses that pull the horse-drawn carriages get off of work and you're on the A train with the horses and they're going home and shit.
They're all at the Clan Bar, Grand Central and shit.
Whoa, what a day.
What a fucking day.
I had a family from Milwaukee on my back. Oh my God.
They just wanted to go fast.
Hey, Tony, let me get 2 more sprigs of spingarella.
Hey, listen, let me get some, what do you call it? Let me get some apples.
Hey, apples for the whole table.
Hey, I'm buying.
Hey, Louis, I know you got a big dick. You still doing stud services?
Yeah, here and there, ever since they took down Backpage, it's been a little hard for me.
a little hard for everybody.
I'm an independent contractor.
Yeah, everyone's trying to work.
I'm an independent sex worker.
So get this, Marissa's talking about having another fawn. Again, always with the reproduction.
Oh my God!
I'm like, I got a good job. I'm pulling the course. I'm pulling the carriages here.
Come
She's
on.
like, why don't you go in the U.S. Derby? You need to go to the Derby. Meadowlands is right there, Johnny.
Come on.
You could be a racehorse.
You could be one of the Budweiser horses. You're special.
She dated one black racehorse in high school. I'm never hear the end of it.
Unbelievable.
Okay?
Unbelievable.
Sometimes I come home, I'm just like, would you just put your fucking feed bag on and leave me alone?
Leave me a fuck alone. Eat your oats.
I had a hard day.
Come on.
Hey.
I'm just trying to take my horseshoes off and relax.
Just I put them on one shoe at a time like everyone else.
Come on now.
Ugh.
Smart on this broad.
And that is our new show called Italian Horses coming to CBS.
Yeah.
Why would that get green lighted for like 9 seasons?
9 seasons,
You're
bitch.
like, this shit is amazing.
Fired, nigga. What?
How come you could be racist against Italians and no one does it then? Or have they just not heard?
It's like punching up.
Yeah.
Low key.
They're just happy for recognition.
Yeah, they're hype. Remember when Jersey Shore came out and it was like this whole big boycott? I'm like, yo, they paint us in a bad light. I'm like,
well, also because Snooki was like Guatemalan or some shit. Like nobody was Italian on that shit. So it was Polish. So it was like from Cuba.
Yeah.
Because they have a real Jersey Shore now, and it's like takes place in Staten Island, and that shit is a mess.
Ooh,
that shit is a mess, and one of those kids is definitely gonna OD. That's why every now and then I check on it. But no, have you ever watched a reality show and someone died in real life on it?
Yeah.
What show?
Remember the Real World with Pedro?
Oh, yeah, but that was different.
That was like sad.
That was sad. You knew it was coming.
Yeah.
Like I mean, like some shit that was like, yo,
oh no, the fucking stupid show with the white dudes with beards. They're like lobster fishermen.
Yeah, she said, you listener at home, if you know the name of the show, yell it into your speaker right now so you can hear it.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's the show. It's about boats. It's about lobsters, hunting,
and it's like mad. They're on mad choppy.
Anyone who knows, yell it out. Someone here knows.
Somebody knows.
Where's Victor?
Sherry's like, no. Sherry's like, I don't.
It's like Ice Road Truck. No, it's
Sherry's like, I don't watch that garbage.
Gee, come on. Lobster Wars,
a Goose Dynasty or some shit.
I think it was Lobster Wars. Deadliest Catch. Deadliest Catch.
There you go.
In the first season, one whole boat went down and the whole crew died.
And they were just like, oh.
They were like, well, guess they're not making their quota. I was like, what the fuck is this shit?
Like, yo.
They was like, sadly, people at Red Lobster would have to wait an extra 10 minutes for the Admiral's Feast. They like, just showed their bodies floating in the water.
Like face down and shit.
I was like, this is dark as shit.
Up to the end. They're all just like Gordon's Fisherman, just getting swept off the fucking bow of the boat and shit. Yeah. Like, damn, bro.
Shout out to Gordon's Fisherman. Do people die for Gordon's fish sticks? I haven't had a fish stick in a while.
Yo, fam, I haven't had one since PS7.
Like, imagine you lose your whole family just for me to be in the fucking supermarket aisle like, I'm good. I'm good. I'm not. Ooh, half a day's amount of sodium? Wow. Putting this back.
Never mind.
Wow.
All right, sorry, Patty, white guy dressed like Patty and Bear. I am not eating your food.
Trust the Gordon's Fisherman. My father was the Gordon's Fisherman.
He gave his life for them sticks.
They got no arm and shit. Like, eat the fucking fish sticks.
Eat the fucking fish sticks with cow.
I'm like, what is that, haddock?
What the fuck is a haddock? Yo, this fish that I'm like, I just read the name of it and I'm like, nah, I'm good. Like, just by reading the name.
Some names you see and you just imagine it's like that blobfish from the bottom of it. You're like, I don't want this. Like I only eat hood fishes, like tilapia, fillet of fish, whatever that is, and whatever's in the fish box at Crown Fried Chicken. And they just say fish box, okay? Which is also a very embarrassing gynecological condition, but that's for another episode. But
you throw that out there real quick. At the buzzer.
I remember when I lived in my own apartment, this chick came to my apartment, and she was like, yo, is there sushi around here? I was like, yeah. I definitely brought her the fish box, and she was like, yeah, I'm going home. She's like, I'm not putting up with this shit.
When you said this,
oh, you thought it was about the fish box? Nah.
Yeah.
Even though I go to City Island a lot, so I'm not.
Hey, listen, you know what? Little bacterial vaginosis never hurt nobody.
You know, like, yo, Ma, if you smell like Johnny's, I ain't stopping.
All right, man. You know what I'm saying? If you bust it open and it smell like South Street Seaport, I ain't even tripping off that. I ain't even tripping off that.
You smell like the new ESPN offices. Man.
I ain't even
we
tripping.
are fucking wildin'.
I ain't even tripping, bro.
Oh, man.
It's like when you get open the tuna can and you start smushing it with the fork.
Take the tuna water, put it on a little cat food.
I'm good. Oh shit. Okay, maybe. No, but I'm still going in. Fuck it.
Never stop going in.
My dick is like, relax. I'm like, no.
Also codfish. Codfish. Big in the community.
Yeah, bacalao.
Shout out to everybody.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to everyone who Titi or your abuela
You know what I'm
goes
saying?
to the Chinito store
You know what I'm
and the
saying?
shit is just chilling in the wild compound bucket with 4 inches of water. You gotta soak it because it got OD salt in that
Yo,
shit.
man, salt.
Niggas just take it, they catch that shit, and they be like just beating it in salt.
And when your
People don't know.
when Titi makes that shit, the whole building smell like that shit.
Everyone knows.
Everybody knows.
Everybody know about it for 3 weeks. You come in,
shit.
you come in, somehow the walls feel like codfish, which makes no sense. Your jacket smell like it.
You walk on the block, you just hear Stevie B and smell codfish, you be like, Titi Sandra's at it again.
Oh
Yeah,
man,
she's out here doing it.
did you see the Jesus Christ guy on Twitter?
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ guy.
Buy that shit before I even know the price.
You gotta pop socks for Jesus.
Which is the word of God, Jesus Christ. So put on.
Oh,
armor
get
of
it.
God.
Jesus Christ! We love you, God.
For God.
Oh shit.
Christ.
What the fuck happened to Mr. Wiggles? Mr. Wiggles is born again?
Jesus Christ!
Yo, man's pop pocket and his son says Jesus.
Because he loves the Christ life. Okay.
Hey, Christ is the sixth element of hip hop.
Listen, that is right up your alley. You hear the freestyle in the background. He's pop locking. Latinos for Jesus. It's great. It's a good time for everybody.
Oh my god. Yo, shout out to Jesus.
That's gonna be. We got to do that one day. Just become, just become super religious.
Super ultra religious. Yo, fam. Oh my god. I'm towing the line right now. I gotta do like
What you towing the line with what?
with Jesus. I gotta be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? I want to alienate people, so I'm like, yo, like
You have a Jesus piece on and you wear it to like Jewish events. Explain yourself.
that's what I'm saying.
Wild disrespectful.
Because it's like, yo, funny story.
Because you know what? From the outside looking in, let me hit the problematic light right now.
Oh, I'm gonna have to hit it right after you,
Okay.
so it's good. Yeah.
It either looks like Jewish people are bragging that y'all killed him, or you're throwing it in your mother-in-law's face. So what is it? Is it Uchiwali or is it one mic?
Yo, it's actually like I shouldn't even be saying this, but fuck it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Like,
that contract is secure.
You know what I'm saying?
Sherry in the building.
I don't give a fuck. My mother-in-law basically spotted us money to get the house, to get us over the hump, because the house was bought with not Showtime money,
Right, previous money.
Previous money. So like we needed a little extra to get us over the hump.
push,
Over
yeah.
the hump, yeah. So she threw that in. I've never heard the end of that. So
Well,
I'm like,
I mean,
now,
if she gave you money for the house and you come in here with the fucking 40-inch cable banging on the table.
Exactly. So now I'm just like, yo, ma, like, don't do me no favors. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
If you're gonna throw it in my face,
All right, New Jersey Green Book over here. What's going on?
Because yo, the fucked up shit is
I'm coming to y'all next dinner.
that's right.
This shit, I was just gonna be extra messy.
Because you know what? Because I just sat there and I was just like, well, we were sitting there and I was have just casual conversation.
Casual conversation.
You know what I'm saying? And she
So
brought
wait,
it up.
how did she bring it up? Did she just work it into the conversation?
Bruh, no, she just brings this shit up in front of people, nigga. And I'm on TV. That should be getting me tight.
This is hilarious because I know her.
That should be getting me tight, bro. Like I just be sitting there.
So wait, so like we'll be here and I'll be like, yo, so
It'll be fam. She'll like she's met you, so but like she doesn't know you, right? Like she knows Desus, right? So like we'll be sitting here and she'll be like, yeah, I'm proud of him, wasn't shit when he first started. I had to give him like 20 grand to get the house up there. Like, I was just like,
wow.
Bro, she told the nanny, like the nanny's
I mean, that's
and shout out to my nanny. She was wild messy. She's like, your mother-in-law, every time she come here, she talk about how she give you money and do this and do that, She act like she make you.
Okay, first of all, West Indian nannies are wild messy, and she just wants to watch the fight. She's not on your side. She's not on your mother-in-law's side. She's just doing it so she can talk to the other nannies about it.
So she can be on WhatsApp like,
She's like, they are bad mind.
yeah, they're bad minded.
They're bad
Look
mind.
at them fighting.
But also, like, not for nothing.
But this is the thing. So then my rebuttal is I went to Vegas and came home with racks.
Don't get the IRS on you.
And we paid off your daughter's undergrad student loan, which she had to take out because of your broke ass. You know what I'm saying? And I paid that shit off in full when she wasn't even touching she was paying only the interest on that shit.
Okay, I get that.
She
but
would've died with that
here,
fucking
let me
loan.
show you the Venn diagram. Mother-in-law, daughter passed from her pussy. So that's her problem.
Right.
You just some nigga off the street. If I gave some nigga off the street 20 G's, and now I see him buying new shit.
Us.
No. No matter what happens,
we're a fully formed family.
You're not. Because no matter what happens, her daughter is her daughter.
Oh, that's a
like
fact.
you here for now.
Listen.
So also you get cool for 20 G's. Like you lucky all she's doing is talking. Cause she might make that call one day like, what's up? What's up? I see, you got those Balenciagas, my nigga?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, you got Balenciagas?
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are.
Yeah?
Yeah, you want to get on your phone? I can get on my phone too.
Okay.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
All right, let me see you in the Jersey State Mall, nigga.
I bet.
All right? Keep that
Yo.
thing on you because I got that thing on me.
Yo, Julio, papi. Yo, get the strap.
Yo.
Yeah, 177 Bus Depot. I'll pick you up right over the bridge.
Yo,
Come through.
Rabbi Leibowitz, bring that 50 cal. Okay? About to make Manduro. Let's go.
We have to watch shoot out at the Fairlawn Jewish Center.
Yo, they're shooting.
Oh my God.
You can't have the shootout until after sundown.
we all have to be indoors. We have to have the shootout before the sun sets.
Oh shit. She has a head covering. I know nothing about the Jewish culture, but I learned it from Mero, who definitely is going to get killed by his mother-in-law.
I don't know what but what I can tell you that may impress the tribe members is women don't wear yarmulkes.
That does not even I know that.
They have the little doily thing.
Get the fuck out of here.
For like funerals.
You know
and shit,
what?
And like Passover.
When your
Seder.
mother kills you,
What's the doily thing called?
She doesn't know. Nobody knows. Don't ask people who are in the background. They don't want to be on the. I will say this, Mero. This is why I will say to you: when your mother-in-law kills you, I will come to your tombstone and put rocks on top of it.
I appreciate that. I really appreciate that.
Okay? Because I am a friend and an ally.
I appreciate that.
And this has been episode 145 of the world's Jewish podcast.
Say, put rocks on our graves. You feel me? Because we respect you.
We are the only urban yet kosher podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
And also, it's the real. Also, it's the real. Shout
to them. You know what I'm saying?
It's also us. Happy Passover. Is it Passover? No.
Not yet.
Yo, it's been your boy, Desus, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pakistan Fats.
Yo.
Like Tyrio,
Hey.
a.k.a. Pakistan Fat like.
Here we go.
Now, I don't know. Should I retire this AK? I love this AK. Don't want to get rid of it. Chris Stapps, poor Sling Dick.
Yeah, I mean.
He left.
But
Still slinging dick.
Still slinging dick, so.
It stays.
It stays.
Got it. Eli Lipby, Butcher Willis Gully, Slow It Down, might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's, with around 1994 York. Yeah. La Mega. Mikhail Gornoff, the Juve boss, MC Little Gungle P, putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the oop, because
I don't fucking know you.
at all. The original my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss. Also, at the State of the Union, everyone had a +1. Remember when the government ran like a government and not like some shitty Bronx club? Like niggas just bringing +1s.
Oh, nah,
people yelling out and shit.
Yo, the bouncer's like,
niggas stealing drinks.
bouncer's like, yo, your name ain't on the list, fam.
At
You
the
just
end of it,
20.
niggas trying to run with no gratuity and shit.
It was at a BBQ's.
The next State of the Union is at Bay Plaza.
I love it. It's right next to my golf
They gonna be like, Mr. Trump, we can't see you till your whole party is here. Okay, is this everyone? Where's Mitch McConnell?
Yo, where's he at?
Wilbur Ross is like, I'm hungry. I want a honey colada.
Nancy Pelosi's like, this is fucking lit.
This is lit.
Oh my God.
Can I get another shot of Patron? We need more Patron. Democrats, pour it up. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Hey, Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pop. By the way, at synagogue, I heard that the kid Mero got some money from his mother-in-law.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you heard about that?
Yeah.
You just say like, I'm right here.
I'm right here, pal.
I'm just saying.
Listen.
I'm just saying.
I'm just trying to enjoy the Purim Carnival and blow this little duck across the little fake pond. All right?
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go over there and build a scarecrow using straw.
All right. Enjoy yourself.
Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa, young Chakuni without the Kunuri, aka Chili Moan, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. KLOK.
Hey.
Why haven't they signed Bryce Harper
Yeah.
or Manny Machado? Who would you rather have?
Why not both?
Why not both?
You know what I'm saying?
Why not both? Like that. The guy in the politician who had the blackface and the KKK photo.
Yes.
His yearbook.
Yeah.
Why not both?
Why not both?
Imagine we go to a party and like you were like, yo, I don't know, blackface is a little risky. Like, I don't know if I can pull this off. You open the door and I'm there in a full head to toe KKK thing. I'm like,
shit.
did we just become best friends? Go racist. Go racist. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. We are wildin'. 2-4 Jones, Jesus Machina, Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cup, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Woo, dilute. Also, by the way, if you use Dr. Bonner's, you have to use something to moisturize after.
That's right.
The pH balance is very high. It will dry out your skin.
Yes.
And I say this to say this. A lot of people, you use it to wash your body. Certain parts of your body cannot become super dry. No. And I'm saying this to you guys so you understand why your foreskins are ashy. Gianna Trapio.
Straight up.
Yeah. Oh,
that's also the name of our new alt band, Ashy Foreskins. Catch us at Coachella, playing with Chloe and Hallie. Woo! We're playing the national anthem at our black-owned prison.
Yeah, that's right.
Mr. 240p. Professional. Mr. 240p because I got my Pinot blurry.
Yeah.
Okay? Now you're DJ Woolites. You're listening to Washed FM.
Yeah.
Up next, in honor of our Extra Jewy podcast, I have one of the greatest Jewish Jamaican rappers ever.
Oh, shit.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's get it, yo.
One day.
Nah, stop.
Was that Matisyahu?
Oh, Matisyahu.
Let's go. Back when Williamsburg was bad.
Nah, stop.
Come on, man, right there.
Woo.
Look at that mouth action. Look at your man spitting.
Yo, god damn.
Do this shit during Shabbos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Got Uncle Levi doing the two-step.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, shit is lit.
Yeah. We got Mero on Shafar.
Just playing it like you're playing like Bill Clinton on our City Hall show.
Sunglasses on and shit.
Sherry, you're gonna get kicked out the religion.
It's gonna go. Next part is where you attend. People are gonna be like, "You rep those guys? You rep those guys? Should be ashamed of yourself."
The curry gold.
He's got hit him with the.
Relax. These are Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno Contano, the Human Mimic, Word to Jai, Young Aaron, the Racing Provocateur, Henrik Budcoast, Nelson Mandela, Surgery Can't See Me, Vladimir Bufin, the Human Werther's melting in your mouth. Also, Werther's is a good candy to know if you're washed or not. If you keep a Werther's in your pocket, you're shit,
super
boy.
washed, boy.
People who keep Werther's in their pocket, they want to see America go back to when black people couldn't be at lunch counters. Mr. Bexar Dickinson, Ricky Tiki Squavi, Greg Popovich, More Safe Chestnut, Muhammad Gambi. No, I'm not gonna be back at a cucumber. Yeah. Just depressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it.
God damn.
Dada Ganoush, no more cup of news. Prince of Peckham, Fashion Nova, Casanova. We made cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $10. Forget the small change, give me big money. Wine.
Big money.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset and the Stagger. Has me a square one top left.
Yo.
Mrs. Marv.
Don't cheese me, bro.
Churro Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. Soft Ponds, all I do is count checks and jerk off. Woo. Did you know Yogi Berra? Because everyone's making a big deal about Tom Brady having how many rings?
6.
6? Yeah. Yogi Berra has 10 fucking rings. Okay?
You know
10 rings.
Talk to us when you got 10.
10 rings.
Woo. You know what
That's one for every finger.
Oh, you got 6?
Relax. 10 rings, baby.
You know what I'm saying? One for each finger in the toe, too. Nigga.
You know what it is. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda at,
hey.
It's me, Sunny D. Hey. Shout out to Sunny D Twitter account, which is doing some very depressing tweets. I hope everything is all right at home. I think they just realized they're not orange juice. They're just trying to kill themselves.
It's just like orange juice backwash.
It's like Black Mirror when they find out like they're not human, they're a robot. They're like, why do I live? Why do I live?
Why?
Every day I exist is pain. No. David Yurman. These expensive, these is red bottoms. These is
yeah.
Cardi B was saying she's paying $300,000 in taxes this month. This year.
Okay. God damn. It's a lot.
I mean, if you do the math.
But
you got like
calculate like
security, private jets, babysitters and shit. Like, you know what I mean? But I mean, if you make it $300K, they taking that out of something. So you making good money. You know what I mean? Okay. I don't know what that was. That was paid for by TurboTax. So King Noah, Andrew Cunanan. Just for the record, Andrew Cunanan is one of the coolest serial killers ever. I don't want to hear none of that Ted Bundy talk. Thank you.
To this day.
And he gave the Junior Energy God. You can't really be in a fan club for a serial killer, right?
I don't know. I saw a cover though for a lady who was like, I had no idea that my dad was the RBT killer?
Rape, torture, bound.
Yeah.
RTB. Woo.
Yeah.
One day I'll tell you about RTB. Maybe the next podcast.
Yeah.
He was bugging because his whole thing was the cops were taking too long to catch him, so he was taunting them, and that's how he got caught.
Wow.
He was like, you can't solve the case. And he used a typewriter that he was doing the notes that when he like killed people, and like he sent like a newspaper or some shit, and they were like, oh, because it's the same guy, and they caught him. Rape, torture, bound.
Wow.
He installed either locks or alarms at people's homes, and that's how he was able to get in there.
Oh,
so don't trust anyone that works for ADT.
Because they're home even when you're not.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? In your house.
Okay.
Jerking off in your crib.
If you want home security, please use SmartLink. Follow our ref code, www.smartlink.com/Bodega Boys, and save 20% off on your first home installation.
That's right.
Nah, we just made that up. Don't go to SmartLink. Don't go to SmartLink. I'm coming breaking into your house. Yo, call me Petco because I got your bitch on free.
Yeah.
Shout out to the Puppy Bowl. I mean, if y'all want to be popping next year, maybe you get the illustrious Bodega Boys to host. We don't know nothing about dogs, but we like to get smacked. That's right. So let's go. The topic of gossip is Syosset. Shout out to the 11791. AK Grandpa joke, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Now I'm getting back in bed and letting my bed sores fester.
That's right.
Your man,
out here.
Your man Dead ID's this morning, Sheriff. Mind if I steal some cutlery in Target? Been shopping at Sweeties and Bad Breeze like I'm easy. Please believe in the Black Asian addict. Crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marino code misdemeanor and a code demeanor. Let me say that again. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marino with a fresh misdemeanor and a code demeanor. AK the sheet mask killer. AK your problematic bae. Yo, I don't believe in gravity.
Straight up.
That's how everything's
next,
going.
Coming to the table.
Yeah.
Live from the 145.
To this day.
It's your boy, Kid Mero.
I gotta unlock my phone and shit. You're gonna have to edit this shit out, Matt.
Nah, we not editing it. We not editing this shit.
AKA the Human Durag Club. That's right. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, AKA the Human Durag Club. I'll say it again one more time for y'all niggas in the back that didn't hear me. AKA Donovan McDowell, AKA Curve got it, AKA Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? We out here, AKA skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking chow, keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck, nigga. Call Peter. Call Steve, call Dave, nigga. I don't care, nigga. Call them all. I don't give a fuck. I ain't no fucking baby, I fucking man. You know what I'm saying? AKA, no need to check the guest list, motherfucker. I am the guest list. You know what I'm saying? I was just in a fucking Super Bowl ad, you dickhead.
True, it's true.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't
Checks
no
out.
punchline, ain't no fucking clever twist of words there. We was just in a motherfucking Super Bowl ad. That shit costs like $1 million per second.
Hey. I have to fact check your AKAs and that comes up as true.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. No lies detected. You know what I'm saying? Just like the stupid little gif with the guy with the hand. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dab Bath here, AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmecked. You know what I'm saying? AKA throwing a sweet 16 for the Bodega Princess every year until she turns 16, and then I'm gonna rent out Ibiza. You know what I'm saying? That's because when you really get money, you call it Ibiza. You know what I'm saying? Not Ibiza. You know what I'm saying? Because why? Because I'm the motherfucker dad of the year.
Dad.
Stupid. You know what I'm saying? Dad. You know what I'm saying? Dad on the bitch. Dad on the bitch. You know what I'm saying? Out here. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bitch Smack Beyond Boy. AKA Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? When you need a little pick me up. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick in your bed more time, but you know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
Sounds good.
AKA David Tristel. You know what I'm saying? Pop out. Take that for daddy. We only got 10 wins, but don't give a fuck. Give me that pick. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. And I don't even care because it wasn't under my account, nigga. I just leave that shit on West Side Highway and keep it moving. I don't care, nigga. AKA the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy, you know what I'm saying? All you niggas complaining, you know what I'm saying? Keep your mouth shut, B. Stop gentrifying the hood, bro. Get the fuck up out of here. If you want to hear reggaeton, nigga, don't come uptown then. That's real.
It's facts.
Look at my eyes, B. Come in tight on my eyes.
See what I see.
That's right.
Na, 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 na.
I just dissolve into hookah smoke. You know what I'm saying? AKA, sorry, McCart again, there's definitely money on that shit. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for selfies and know where I went to college, Jeremy.
Fucking Jeremy again.
Yeah, you like your little Kmart cashier job? Jared, I'm sorry I read your name tag wrong the first time, but I'm not really sorry because I'm demeaning you in your profession.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Put the fucking Lysol wipes in the bag and keep it fucking moving, dickhead.
Shout out to all my retail workers.
Fuck out of here. Shout out to y'all though. That shit sucks, bro.
It's just Jeremy. He just got beef with Jeremy or Jared.
It's just
like, the rest of y'all are cool. Shout out to everyone folding them sweaters at the Gap.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, if you got a folding board right now, I'll salute you with my folding board.
Yo, if you work at the H&M and mad tourists come in there, yo, my heart goes out to you because they are the wild dickheads.
Yo, they go in there like Tasmanian devil.
Yo, they don't even go in the dressing room. They try shit on right on the floor.
Right
on
the floor, bro. Like, why you taking your shirt off, nigga?
Come on.
Why you taking your shirt off in the middle of the store?
I want to see your nipples, my guy.
Fuck out of here. I don't want to see your fucking Swedish nipples, bro.
Also, in America, we don't do one line. There are multiple registers.
You know what I'm saying?
Break into different lines.
Fuck out of here.
Sorry, I'm just beefing now.
Yeah, come on. Or cues.
They're not fucking cues. and I'm saying this right now. I'm making it clear. The term is standing on line.
Yeah.
We're from New York.
Yeah.
We out here on our own.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not standing in line.
You know what I mean?
It's standing online. Yeah, it makes no sense. It sounds like you're standing on the internet. But that's how we talk.
Fuck that. Fuck y'all.
It actually makes no sense. I have no idea how we did that. But
okay, we did. We nigga, innovators.
PX all day. You know what it is.
AKA Romeo Santos.
Ooh.
Tu favorito, mami. Listen, I'll take your BBW cousin on stage and suck her toes in front of everybody. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'll do that shit at Coachella. I don't care. And I came in here on a helicopter and I was smashing a fat girl on the helicopter while I came in. And I'm not fat shaming. I love my big girls. I love y'all. Keep me warm all winter. AKA Lighten Up Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? Ooh. I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got $5. You don't even got $5, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro. I don't even keep $5 bills anymore. I just burn them in my furnace.
Wow.
My money furnace. My money burning furnace. That's right.
Until what your mother-in-law is like, well,
I'm different now. I'm different now. We different now.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Oh, this nigga burning $5 bills in his furnace? Furnace I paid for?
Word?
She gonna have that Draco to your head one morning. She's like, I'm pussy? Huh? I'm pussy, Mero? Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
I'll be like, put that shit in my mouth. Shoot, Judy. If you real, shoot. I done seen everything but Christ, which you don't even believe in. By the way, I went to Catholic school for the first 4 years of my of grade school, and the way they explained Judaism was like, well, Jewish people are cool. They just don't really fuck with Jesus like that. Like, they thought he was a really nice guy, but they just didn't like him. I was like, y'all lied, y'all killed him. Oh my God.
Dude, the beauty of this is like, I can say all this wild shit on the podcast. I got a couple of Jewish friends. You know what I mean? I don't keep track. But they know my heart and they know I'm good.
You know I'm good.
You, however, are entrenched in the Jewish community, and you are just making enemies left and right. Why?
I'm starting a radical sect. I'm starting a radical offshoot. It's like Kabbalah times 3.
We just got gold bracelets.
You know what I'm saying? That's it.
Yeah, the jigger.
You know what I'm saying? We out here. Different now. You know what I'm saying? We doing different things out here.
We all moving to what's up by Monroe, New York?
we all taking over. We mobbing in Muncie. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here.
Oh my God. Oh.
AKA Tom Brady. You could come my balls inflated, but I still willed my team to a win in the most boring Super Bowl ever.
Have you ever been to Kiras Joel? It's a Jewish neighborhood.
I thought it was a Star Wars character.
No, it's a Jewish neighborhood in Monroe, New York, for Hasidic people, and they have large families. But the last name is Joel, so you could just take it,
just
and
run through. Oh shit! Hey, it's my shit now.
Mm-hmm.
You in Joel Town, motherfucker.
Yo, it has 5,000 people.
Oh shit!
So we could take over there.
Oh shit! Oh, it's light. We should go over there with 2 niggas from the block in a box.
No, well, the average family size there's some shit 9. So
yeah. Okay, never mind.
They out there heavy.
Yeah, never mind. Okay, feel the ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? I want to pull your Cosmos mind consensually.
Always consensually.
We're
consensual boys.
You know what I'm saying? Consensual boys over here. You know what I'm saying? We never do anything without consent.
Gotta ask.
You know what I'm saying? The only thing I do without consent is put, you know what I'm saying, the paper towels under my cart at Target and try to walk out with them.
You know the only thing I do without consent is?
What?
love and support you.
That's right. Wow.
Niggas nasty.
Nigga did that. Wow. AKA little snoozy vert, you know what I'm saying? Catch me on IG Live, tap in the fuck out, you know what I'm saying? If you want to watch a nigga sleep on Instagram Live, I'm your man, you know what I'm saying? AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato, AKA Zenil Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
Where?
At Mama Sushi. The flagship. I don't listen, if you see a rating on the door, don't worry about that shit, bro. Don't worry about this shit. Just go in there, get a tolete roll, my G, and get your hooks on. You know what I'm saying? Get the hooks lit. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will surgically remove Takashi's larynx, better known as a larynx if you are a friend of Jadakiss, to prevent him from snitching on every blood in Brooklyn. You're welcome. I'm keeping the hood top of my brain. You feel me? 5, what's poppin' slime? 5 poppin', 6 dropping. You know what I'm saying? You know what it is. We might get indicted for gang activity for that.
Wow.
But fuck it. Sue, whoop-de-woo, you know the vibes. AKA, open your fucking medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. Woo. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lioness nigga, man. Listen, baby, man. I was just curious about what a sex dungeon actually was. I've never been to one. Ignore those photographs in my phone. They're fake. They're fake. They're not real. AKA Baby Newport 2-5 niggas got garbage.
They're not real like birds.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. AKA Nietzsche Brown. Shut the corner down. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from 166th Street in Sheridan, performing between nods is the East Trio on CBB doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your Titi is Sucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lean too far because I fall into the train tracks and perish.
Sad.
AKA, listen, mate. I tell you this every week, mate. Took a week off last week. You know why? Because rock stars need to replenish, mate. And there's only 2 left in the world. You should be so fucking lucky. I'm one of them. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a blood too full of haze I got from Post. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francesa, dog. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? He stays saying problematic shit, but fucking bro. You know what I'm saying? He's a New York legend.
He is.
AKA chilling at the crib off edibles, playing Call of Duty, being called racial slurs by little white children that have no idea they're talking to the 2012 scoring champion. It's Barmelo's Anthony.
For 3.
Damn. Shot
Sad.
violation. Took the ball out. AKA, if you see me at Target with my eyes redder than most of YG's wardrobe, trying to find paraben-free dog food, approach me like a motherfucker. Ursa, man, nigga, I may react erratically and claw your face off with my claws. You know what I'm saying?
And
I
he
haven't
may
got a
react,
manicure.
and you won't like that.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll do my best fall asleep impression and then urinate on myself. $50 deposit, not involved. AKA, I saw fake links to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. That motherfucker's high on Fago, Orange, and some shit I found under my cabinet, but I don't know what it is. The label's in Chinese and it has skull and crossbones, so I guess RP Lil Pump in advance. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, que llegó el ejército FIFA, coño, aquí tripeando con Desus. Tú sabes que lo que bebiendo como una fucking langota, jalando la juca como una fucking grúa. Llegale al flow, llegale a la pinta, que estamos bajando duro, coño.
Felt that.
You know what I'm saying? No te hagas fucking que tú me viste, coño, con mi Cody aquí en el fucking Super Ponchera, mamá huevo, con Tom Brady, con Thomas Brady. Nosotros dos, mamá huevazo, coño. Date manso, lambón. Hey, as a matter of fact, shout out, como siempre, shout out a la Showtime. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Lost Me. You know what I'm saying? Y Cash Out. You know what I'm saying? Shout out DJ Hasan y que siempre pone la nota, coño. Shout out Basti. Shout out Jubilee, la madura, coño. Shout out Dímelo, la papi de la lady. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Broquete, el capitán. Hasan, párala ahí, coño, que yo no estoy en chapeo. No estamos en chapeo, yo soy un hombre serio, coño, de familia. ¿Sabes qué es lo que es? Jalgamos cadena, coño. Llega la pinta, mira. Estamos diferentes, loco, estamos diferentes. Me quité. Suéltame. Vete para otro lado, coño.
Is that, are you done?
Yeah.
That's it. When you move to New York, like sometimes you'll sit in your new apartment and you'll hear a noise like that in the other apartment.
They'll become
and
alarmed.
you'll sit there for 10 minutes trying to figure out, are they just happy or are they fighting?
Yes.
All right?
But it's both.
Okay. Listen to that fucking audio adobo over there. It's been episode 145
That's right.
of the world's most dangerous podcast. And we dropped the, sorry it was late, but you got it. The shit's free.
Enjoy it.
Put it in your butt and enjoy it.
Stupid.
And we out. And you're not getting no more podcasts ever again. Bye.
Peace.